Hi, it's Sandy. I'm back with a very short video on the writing assignment rubric. Again, we are in week 3 and I'm going to start using more formal rubrics. I will still be grading your papers for the next week or two in a very careful, mindful way, giving you a higher score, but giving you the opportunity to benefit from your explanations and your growth as a writer. So in this particular rubric, and you're going to see this throughout the program, what you're going to notice is that the categories are communication and understanding of topic, analysis and reflection, application, effective use of research techniques where appropriate, and your style. So we've seen style before, and we've seen communicating and understanding of topic in how you responded in your original post in discussions. But here there are very clear explanations of what we're looking for. You must express ideas in a natural voice that permits a smooth reading and clear communication of ideas. The ideas are written so they can be easily understood and the reader doesn't have to struggle with what the writer is saying. Notice that high proficiency or target here is a 4 and a 1 is needs improvement. 1 assumes there is some effort, but it's not sufficient to communicate to the reader precisely what you need. I urge you to take a little time and look at these categories and figure out if you were to grade your first paper that you submitted to me, how would you grade it? Now let's look at the analysis. Again, you will receive a score, as you can see on the far right hand side here, a score for each category. Analysis and reflection, it's where you as a writer need to demonstrate the ability to sort of analyze from different points of view. Identify what's at stake and connect your conclusions to the central theme. It's not enough to express supportive examples without making clear how this is all connected. Application refers to the ability to use learned material. A participant needs to be able to apply rules, methods, concepts, principles, laws, strategies, and theories. This is a higher level of understanding. Now, are you going to do this right away? No, but you can see, again, if you look at the different categories and you look at, you could get a 4, you could get a 3, a 2, or a 1. This will give you an opportunity to truly understand what's going to be a good example for you. So let's move along now to effective use of research. Now, I haven't pushed this. And so initially, I'm going to give everybody full points for research. But that's going to start to fade away as we see how you do with research. Some of your use of research in this first class will probably be limited. But when you get to the second and subsequent classes, you're going to see it used more and more. Now, finally, we have style. Style is the language that you use, the mechanics, how you set up sentences, how you organize a paragraph. It is vital that you remember all of this counts. It's not just the content, but rather the mechanism by which you provide the content. So again, I urge you to write everything in Academic Writer. This will store your document. You can easily download it to Word and then save it and submit it. You might have to do a couple of little adjustments because sometimes it gets kind of strange when you go from Academic Writer to Word. But this will really help to start focusing you. Remember, vocabulary, spelling, capitalization, punctuation, everything counts. Initially, we spend less time grading you on that, But as we move forward, you will find that is a stronger part, because without the strong structure, no one can understand your wonderful ideas. I just want to make sure that people understand you. I hope this has helped you a little to focus your attention on this rubric. Please let me know if you have any questions. Thanks.